Okay, welcome back to the Playing Hard channel. Here's my Harman Mark III. I finished the Firebrick installation. As you can see, everything's there, everything's there. I don't know if I can show this side or not, but there we are in the front. Now when you get to the front, it takes a full brick here laying down, not vertical like the sides. And then it's got a small piece in here and a small piece in the corner, you can see. Both corners. Get that same small piece. And I was betwixt and between of how to cut one of these bricks. And you know what? All I used was one of those 4.5-inch grinder wheels. Cuts right through the brick, cuts it clean. You don't need a diamond bit, any of that kind of stuff. You can just cut right through it. That's what I did for the small pieces. Okay, so let's refresh here. Took the brick out. That took about 25 minutes to take all the brick out and to vacuum the stove out totally. Got all the new brick, slid them in. Well, not all new. There's two old ones back here, and that's why there's difference in color. But they were the only ones left that were in one piece, so I saved them. The bricks are 9 inches by 4.5 by 1.25 inches thick. So that's the standard fire brick. So you could use this in not only your Harman, but any other stove that you want. The fire brick's purpose, it has two purposes. One is to keep the heat in the stove. It's like a heat sink. And the other is to keep it from damaging the outside portion of your stove. The hotter the stove gets, the steel tries to delaminate, and you can see a little bit of delamination up there in the corner. So that fire brick serves that purpose too, so it doesn't damage the outer skin of your stove. So finally, we're all ready. I used on the outside, a couple of months ago, I used that black stove polish rather than paint. Man, that stuff works really great. You ought to try that if you haven't used it before. And we're ready for our new season of burning. So if you like this video and the ones before it, and hopefully the ones after it, we're going to do an update on the off-grid solar system that I have here shortly, and an update on the Harbor Freight solar panels. So hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more content similar to this. Okay, so happy burning season, guys. We're not far from it. Talk at you later.